Hi there, I'm Cozy. If you have our materials, let's get started. To get our pattern, take your tissue box and measuring tape because tissue boxes are different sizes. Firstly, measure this rectangle on the top, here, and here. Next, we are just gonna measure from the top to the bottom. Let me remind you what sections you should measure. So we've got the pattern drawn out. As you can see, we need tissues opening at the center. And I want you don't forget you have some seam allowance all the way around. Let's cut out fabrics and cotton batting. When you trace main fabric and the cotton batting, you don't need to trace tissues opening. Only lining needed. Next, what you want to do is lay the cotton batting and the main fabric right side up. So now stitch along the line. Our next step is draw our quilting lines. And quilt. It's time to make a fireplace with some felt and a glue. Now you want to put the edges right sides together and stick some pins. So now you can stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Next, we are gonna take the lining and do the same thing with it. The next one we are gonna do is take two pieces that we made and turn the main fabric right side out and then take and fit the lining right over it. So now we are just gonna match the seams and pinning. Next, I want to do is press it flatly and stitch along the line. After sewing, wrap it and rip it up a little bit with your scissors. Now we are gonna cut a slit right in the middle of the oval. And you want to cut it all the way around the inside of oval. Making sure you don't go through your thread. Next, all you want to do is go ahead and make many notches. Remove the pins Our next step is wrap the lining and insert it in the tissue's opening, and you want to stick some pins again. Poke those corners. Now you want to top stitch. Let's stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Take a bias tape to wrap the bottom. Next, we are gonna fold the edge 1 cm and put it on the tissue box cover. And what you wanna do is pinning. Stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. Maybe we are gonna wrap it up and stick some pins all the way around. Now let us stitch. It's possible to put it over my tissue box. This just slides down tightly, but we don't need to worry about it because it is stretching out. The next one that I'm gonna show you is put the lace on the tissue box. And make many notches. Oh no, my mistake. And make many pleats while stick some pins. Our last step is stitch the edge with your hand to fix it. Hey guys, bye for now and see you next video.